As the Senate Committee on Agriculture continued the hearing on the Philippine Livestock Industry Development Act, Senator Cynthia Villar got disappointed again on officials of the Department of Agriculture. National Dairy Authority Administrator Marilyn Mabale gave incorrect figures regarding the country's annual milk production. Mabale initially said the total dairy production was 184 million liters, then corrected it to 2.5 billion liters. The lady senator also dwelled on the term ready-to-drink milk. Netizens reacted.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.